Hello, welcome to part 2 at Stump Knocker Garage. We were removing the gas tank from the 55 Chevy pickup truck, all original gas tank. Basically, behind it was filled with everything for many years, and at this point I pretty much cleaned everything, disinfected everything, and poured some Osfo product to stop the rust. And basically, in the removal process of the brackets that hold the gas tank, those bolts came out pretty easy on the back. The two in the front gave me some issues, so they actually broke off. I'll remove those later. Here's the fuel line, the metal fuel line, the ground and positive cables for the gauge, fuel gauge. There's the filler neck. Pretty clean truck, all original. Here's the actual, I guess it's like a seal, a rubber spacer between the cab and the gas tank. It was loose. Apparently it may have another side to it that holds it there. Here's the actual tank outside the truck. There's the truck. Those are the straps. These are some pads that go underneath the tank and the straps themselves. Tank underneath has that. I'm not really sure what that is. Possibly a clean out bolt. Okay, thanks for watching.